Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tinned fish. First, let's gather our simple yet powerful ingredients. You'll need 1 can of quality sardines, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and 1 medium-sized ripe tomato. Don't forget about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of black pepper. For a little kick, add a 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. These components are key to unlocking incredible flavor. Now let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. Start by finely mincing your 2 cloves of garlic. This ensures its aromatic essence permeates the entire dish. Next, dice your 1 medium tomato into small, consistent pieces, about 1/4 inch cubes. This helps them break down beautifully and quickly. Finally, gently drain the liquid from your can of sardines, preparing them for their starring role. It's time to bring everything together in the pan. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small skillet over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Then, introduce the diced tomatoes and chili flakes, cooking for 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes soften. Finally, gently fold in the drained sardines, letting them warm through for just 2 minutes. Your delicious tinned fish is almost ready to enjoy. Season the dish with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Serve this flavorful creation immediately, perhaps alongside some warm, crusty bread to soak up all the wonderful juices, or with a simple side of steamed rice. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice adds a perfect finishing touch. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.